weird, you guys. It didn't want to start. I had to press this like 3 times. Maybe it's dirty, but I hope the starter's not giving out. That's so weird, you guys. Alright, it looks like it's all fine, you guys. I'm asking, what's the word? Over here at the interlock place, waiting for them to fix my bike. Yes, ma'am. They told me they'll take care of me. I hope they do. Hopefully they don't tell me some bullshit like I have to pay $75 for what's it called? A fee for failing the test. I didn't fail no test. They're checking it now, you guys. All right, it looks like it's all fine, you guys. I'm asking, what's the word? All right, you guys, they said I just forgot to blow. So they didn't charge me or nothing. I just forgot to blow when it's told me to blow. It's because this light doesn't tell me to blow. I'm gonna see if it starts. Okay, it's a neutral. See it? All right, I hope I just wasn't pressing it hard enough. I'm not gonna open it. I put some tape right there and there's a lot of dirt collected there. I think that'll stop it from going in there. I just forgot to put a screw down here.